Hey guys, Chad from Donnelly Ford in Mount Vernon here. I'm standing next to a brand new 2024 Ford Ranger. If you guys didn't know, Ford had just redesigned it for this model year. And I think it really stands out and it looks super aggressive. You got the new front end, you also have color matching rims and aggressive tires. Also for somebody like me, you also have running boards, makes it getting in and out of the vehicle a breeze. One key feature I like a lot is the step back here. Right, helps you reach over, grab stuff in the bed. Now the thing about the Ranger I like a lot is it's a truck. It has a bed, but it's not huge and enormous. Still comfortable for everyday driving, fit in parking spots, fit in your garage. It's kind of the best of both worlds. It does also have a dampening tailgate, so you don't necessarily need to have your hands on it as you open it. And one cool feature I like, you actually have a measuring tape, like a yardstick right here on the edge of that tailgate. You also have a 12 volt and a 110 outlet in the bed. Also comes with the trailer hitch or hitch receiver already on it. So that's just some of my favorite features of the redesign on the outside. Let's go ahead and pop in and take a look at the inside. So guys, like we discussed, 2024 brought a redesign of the Ranger. That includes the inside as well. I think everything in here looks super sharp. It's definitely different to the eye. And my favorite thing about the redesign, which it might be funny, are these air vents. They kind of mimic the front grille of the Ranger, which is specific to the vehicle. This specific Ranger comes with pretty much everything you want in a vehicle. It's going to have your adaptive cruise control, lane steering assist, your selectable drive modes, wireless charging pad. Also, these seats are super comfortable. I'm up here at the top of the hill looking out over Mount Vernon. If I had my coffee here, I don't really think I need to move all day. So guys, if you're like me and you like the redesign of the 2024 Ranger, how about you stop in, discover the Donnelly difference, and redesign your garage?